top Zimbabwean celebrities who support President Emmerson Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF. In this video, we are going to shed light on key Zimbabwean celebrities who have publicly or tacitly supported President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the ruling party ZANU-PF. We will explore their ties to ZANU-PF and why Zimbabweans should critically assess these connections in light of the country's ongoing struggles with corruption and failing public services. While these celebrities enjoy privileges such as donations of cars and business favors from politically connected figures like Chivayo, the majority of Zimbabweans face hardships daily, from poor health care to economic challenges. This video calls attention to those celebrities who knowingly or unknowingly may serve as enablers of the status quo that benefits a few while the masses suffer. Walter Magaya. Walter Magaya is a prominent pastor and businessman, founder of Prophetic Healing and Deliverance Ministries. He wields significant influence, blending religion and politics in Zimbabwe. Magaya has publicly declared support for Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF, often appearing at state-sponsored events and aligning his church's messages with government policies. His close ties to political actors raise concerns about the politicization of religion and the leveraging of faith communities for political gain. His backing gives the ruling party access to millions of followers, and his business success is often seen as benefiting from his political alliances, while many Zimbabweans see no improvement in their lives. The Charambas. The Charambas are a husband and wife gospel music duo well loved in Zimbabwe for uplifting spiritual songs. They regularly perform at state functions and have over time been associated with supporting ZANU-PF initiatives and politicians. Their music brings hope, but their political alignments tie them to a party many accuse of corruption and mismanagement, creating a disconnect between their spiritual messaging and political reality. Jah Prayzah. Jah Prayzah is one of Zimbabwe's top contemporary musicians, blending traditional music with popular genres with widespread appeal across generations. Connections to ZANU-PF. Jah Prayzah has performed at numerous ZANU-PF events and state celebrations, often seen smiling alongside senior party officials. While his music commands respect, his close ties to the regime alienate some fans who suffer under the harsh realities caused by government corruption and neglect. Mechanic Manyeruke. Mechanic Manyeruke is a veteran gospel musician with a rich history in Zimbabwe's music scene. He has been seen at political events supporting ZANU-PF candidates and policies, lending his stature to the party's image. Manyeruke's collaboration with the ruling party risks co-opting spirituality into political propaganda. Alec Macheso. Alec Macheso is a legendary Sungura musician with decades of influence in Zimbabwe. He is a regular performer at ZANU-PF rallies and political functions and has openly declared support for the ruling party. Macheso's support solidifies political patronage ties between popular culture and the party despite Zimbabwe's worsening social conditions. Say Colors. Say Colors is a vibrant Zimdanzo artist known for his energetic performances. He has appeared at political rallies supporting ZANU-PF candidates and is considered part of the celebrity circle benefiting from party patronage. The support risks normalizing political favoritism in Zimbabwe's youth culture. Killer T. Killer T is a popular Zimdanzo artist known for his streetwise lyrics reflecting urban youth experiences. He has been seen at ruling party events and rallies, offering implicit support to the regime. His political ties influence his fans, potentially steering young audiences towards complacency about political corruption. Hattie Perry. Hattie Perry is the owner of the fashion brand Hattie Perry, and he is known for supporting ZANU-PF political party, as he also supports other celebrities who support the ruling party, for example Jah Prayzah. Jace Marabini. Jace Marabini is a musician known for his energetic style and social commentary. He has publicly supported the ruling party and appeared at related events. His political stance risks alienating listeners opposed to the current government. Sandra Ndebele. Sandra Ndebele is a popular dancer and musician known for her charismatic stage presence. She has openly supported Mnangagwa and performed at state occasions. This association ties entertainment close to the ruling party's image. Madam Boss. Madam Boss is a social media star and comedian famous for her humorous videos and strong online presence. She has demonstrated public support for the government, earning both praise and criticism from her fans. Her influence over social media audiences means her political endorsements carry weight. Dorcas Moyo. Dorcas Moyo is a gospel artist who has won acclaim for her uplifting songs and performances. She has been linked to political figures and performed at government functions. She recently also got a car from Wiknau Chivayo, who is a ZANU-PF loyalist. Dorcas's religious music being used for political messaging raises concerns about faith co-opted for power. Wally Tan. Wally Tan is a younger musician making strides in the Zimbabwean music industry. His appearance at political events suggests alignment with the ruling party, especially during the 2023 elections, where he was even awarded a very expensive car after campaigning for President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Emerging artists like Wally Tan often navigate political networks for opportunities affecting their independence. DJ Fantan. DJ Fantan is a major figure in Zimbabwe's music scene, recognized for influencing popular trends. He has been linked to political figures and events supporting the ruling party. His prominence makes his political association significant in shaping youth culture. Levels. Levels is a music producer and artist known for his work in reggae and dancehall genres. He has associates within party structures and has been seen at related events. Music producers like Levels play a crucial role in who gains prominence and how culture is framed politically. Hubert Angel. Hubert Angel is a controversial pastor, businessman, and political figure with vast influence. Angel is an outspoken supporter of Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF and is often seen backing government programs and candidates. His blending of religion, business, and politics exemplifies the concentration of influence among elite supporters of the regime. Passion Java. Passion Java is a popular social media personality, businessman, and prophet known for his flashy lifestyle and connections. He is well-known supporter for Mnangagwa, frequently appearing at government events and supporting ZANU-PF initiatives. His extravagant displays funded by political patronage highlight the inequalities Zimbabweans face compared to the average citizen. Chaplain Phiri. Chaplain Phiri is a pastor with a strong following in Zimbabwe. She has publicly declared support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa and attended political events backing ZANU-PF. Zimbabwean celebrities supporting Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF play complex roles in the country's socio-political landscape, while enjoying privileges such as donations from influential figures like Chivayo. Their support often contrasts sharply with the widespread suffering endured by ordinary Zimbabweans in healthcare, education, and infrastructure. These celebrities help legitimize the ruling party and sometimes enable corrupt practices by lending their public influence and visibility. Zimbabweans deserve transparency and accountability from all public figures, especially those celebrated as role models. It is crucial to understand these dynamics as Zimbabwe continues to navigate its future.